Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Coders Lifeline. So as I told in last video, this time I am going to solve this question. So the question name is 2sum, and what we have to do is we have to find a pair of numbers which would be equal to our targeted number, right? So we can solve this question by two methods. So I'm going to solve this question in Python. If you need any its solution in any other language, let me know. So I will show you two methods to do this thing. So first one is would be time complexity of O(n) square. Okay, so let's try this first method, which is quite easy. So this is our method 1. So what I'm going to do is I will travel the list twice like this. See, for I in range len of nums. Okay, and again for j in range I plus 1 comma len of nums. Okay, so let me decrease it once. Okay, so they are committing that exactly one solution exists. Okay, so let's check. What I would do, I would just get the sum of ARR I and ARR j should be equal to our target. Okay, and let me give this as if condition. If this is true, then what we would do, we would just return I comma j. Okay, so let's run this code and see what happens. Okay, so I got an error called ARR not defined. Okay, so why this happens? Because I'm using ARR as array, and here nums is the array, but I can solve this by two ways. Like, see this. If I did this, then it would work. Okay, so you can see that our code has been accepted just for test, single test case. Let me submit and see what happens. Okay, so you can see that faster than 17.92%, and it uses 16.01% of less memory than other users. You guys can conclude this one. So let me sort this out in another way. So what I am going to do, I am going to replace ARR with nums. Okay, and let's there should be some effect on this memory uses. So let's see. Okay, again it has not been changed. Okay, that's fine. So now we are going to implement method 2. I'm commenting this out. 1 2 3. Okay. So let's start with method 2. What I would do is I travel the list, and I'll check whether the complement of target and numbers in at a particular index on the list is those complements are there either in list or not. If that complement exists in the list, then whether the index of current element and index of that complement is equal or not. If index is not equal, then we would return the index. Okay, so let's start coding part. For I in range len of nums. Okay, so complement is equal to nodes I, sorry, target minus nodes I, target minus nodes I. So if complement is in nums and so I have to get the index of complement, sorry, index of complement not equal to I, then we would return I comma nums dot index comp. Okay, so this one is quite easy. Let's test this. So it is working for a smaller set of problems. Let's try on bigger one. So I was working with some other stuff, so that's why I get some error. So this one is slightly faster than the previous one, because in the previous one has time complexity of order of n square, so I'm going to give caret for square. Okay, and this code have time complexity of order of n, not 1, sorry, I was just going to type 1. Okay, so thank you.